Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we're doing a Fabfitfun unboxing for, what are we, spring? For spring, I'm so excited. I love getting this this box every season. It is a lifestyle box. It's fantastic. But before we get into the box, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. All right, so this is what this month's box looks like. They've also gone very eco-friendly and have added, right here it says your add-ons are inside the box. I love that. I'm pretty sure this was all recycled material. Don't quote me on that though. I can't quite remember, but I'm so excited. I subscribe annually, so I get to choose 5, I believe, products, and then Fabfitfun chooses a few for you. Sorry if I could get that out. Yeah, they're great products though. That's if you do annually. You can also subscribe seasonally and you'll get to pick out 3. And I believe it is, what do I pay? My goodness, I think it's like 50 bucks a box for $49.99 for the States, I believe. I'm not sure. I'll leave a link below just so you can check it out for yourself if you are interested. All right, so the first item I see is actually my add-ons. That's cool. And it is a Daily Concepts Daily Lip Scrubber. It was $5 and I had a credit for $5 and I wanted to check this out. Like, I get the craziest dry lips, so yeah, I thought this would be fun. I like the brand Daily Concepts too. Oh, that's interesting. You stick it on your finger. Oh, it even shows it on the picture. And it's a lip exfoliant. Huh. Check that out. That's really cool. I can't wait to actually use this. Alright, moving on to the products in the box. This is what it looks like. I am super pumped for the items that I did choose. Oh, I am excited. Alright, what do we got here? We got some stickers. It says Fabfitfun, some flowers, and spring 2021. That's super adorable. What else do we get? Grow Forth. Oh, a code for $15 off your first Fabfitfun box. Any of you would like this code, just let me know and I will email it to you. And then we've got the awesome booklet that tells you all about the products and shows you what the other customizations were and what else you could have gotten. And what else does it tell you? Just a few other like tips about makeup and stuff, I believe. Our newest skincare secret. Say goodbye to these 12 ingredients. And our partnership with One Tree Planted. Oh, that's cool. That's all in here, so I can't wait to check that out. Alright, what else do we got? Nourish. Oh, code for supplement vitamin pack things that come to your door every month. And then, like always, we got another Hello Fresh card. We get those in, we've gotten those in like the last 2 boxes, I'm pretty sure. I can't quite remember, don't quote me on that. All right, I'm so excited right now. I'm gonna show you the first item that I see, but it's the first item that I really had chosen when you've seen the spoilers. I really wanted this, and this is the Short Stories LED Indoor Planter. I am obsessed with plants right now, and I'm like propagating them. I'm just buying them like crazy, and I cannot wait for spring and all the gardening stuff to come out to do my yard. Oh, I'm just, yeah, crazy obsessed. Anyway, I thought this would be super fun to do. It's got the LED lights, and then you can grow herbs. Yeah, herbs or anything really you want inside that will fit underneath this. Super duper exciting. I don't believe that was customization 1. I think that was, maybe it was. Oh, it totally was. That was customization 1. One of the choices you could have picked. And I just, yeah, I couldn't resist that. All right, moving on. just gonna pull them out by what I see. And this is one of the items that Fabfitfun picked out for me, and it is the SF Suns Out, Pouts Out Gold Foil Lip Masks. They have Cassia and Honeysuckle Flower Extract. I think I've tried this before. I think we got some in BoxyCharm. Yeah, I believe so, recently. And I think I like them. So that's cool. I like lip masks. Like I said, I get really dry lips, so this will be nice to try. Or use. Try or use. I'm pretty sure I've tried them, so use. Alright, what is next? We've got an empty bubble wrap. I don't know what that's about. Ooh, tweezers. This was one of the items I chose. And this was, oh, like the 5th customization. I didn't find that I liked a lot of the products this season. So, I don't know. I'm excited about some of them, but I thought they could have been better. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But I did need a new pair of tweezers. We got a pair in one of my boxes. I think it was BoxyCharm like forever ago, and it was a gray pair. And my goodness, are they the hardest things to use. I absolutely hate them. They're really hard to press. It's just, yeah, no. So I went and picked, I'm gonna pull this out actually, the Summer and Rose tweezers with pouch. Super excited to have these. Hopefully these aren't as hard. These are gonna go in my bathroom and hang out in there, but let's see. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love the design on it. Cute little flowers, well, roses, and the pouch is very handy too. Let's see. Oh, that's much better. Those other ones, like you had to press so hard to squeeze them. It was insane. So I chose this. Definitely excited that I chose that. All right, moving on to the next item, which is another one that I chose and I'm super pumped. They are, what are they called? The Bloomingville, they're coasters. And this was the 3rd customization. They're woven seagrass coasters. And I believe they're all in different designs. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh yes, you can tell from the side. They all have different designs on them. They're so cute. Look at this one. Pull up. Oh goodness. So there's this design, super adorable. Then there's one like that. And then one's like that. And then one like that. Love it. I have a very farmhouse, like bohemian vibes going on. Style in my house with my decor. So I thought that would go quite nicely. Plus, I mean, I have a really nice coffee table that I'm so scared of ruining. I love it so much. It's so pretty. It's got the barn doors on it and everything. And so yeah, I have coasters on it. I have mats. I have, do not put your drinks on the coffee table. I am one of those people. All right, moving on. Let's go to the next item I see, which is Be Yourself, Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Inc. A nail polish in a light pink that Fabfitfun chose for me. I did not choose this one, but I'm super excited. I like a pale pink. Okay, a pale pink nail polish. Oh yes, really nice. I don't think I've tried this brand yet either too, so that's going to be fun to try. All right, what else do we got in this beautiful box? We've got Marina Brightening Ampoule by Earth Harbor. That sounds interesting. This was another that was chosen for me. And it is a brightening, I'm assuming, serum? Brighten and balance the skin, it says. That's interesting. That'll be fun to test out. Yeah. Oh, I guess I could have told you the prices on these things. That would have been nice. We will go through it after. I'll tell you the prices and let's see if it's worth it. All right. Ooh, this one was one I chose. I'm so excited. This is the Grown Alchemist. I hope I'm saying that right. Body cream. I love a good cream. Body cream, hand cream. And I saw this and I was like, oh my. I didn't know, like I knew they had skincare, but I didn't know they had a body lotion out if I can get the words out. Goodness. What does it say about it? Oh, Mandarin and Rosemary leaf. Nourish and hydrate your body with a blend of potent bioactive ingredients. Oh, it smells really good. I'm going to really enjoy this lotion. All right, let's see. Oh, I think we're on to the last item. Yep, last item in the box. Another one that I had chosen, and they are slippers. These are the open-toed ones. I'm not usually a fan of it, but I didn't really like the other options, so I just went ahead and chose these. These are really nice. They're really soft. I'll test them. Who knows? I might grow to like them. I usually don't get ones that are open-toed because, like, it gets cold here where I am. So I like my cozy full foot slippers. All right. Okay, so let's go through. I can tell you the prices. But I mean, I'm already gonna tell you that it's already worth. It's worth the box. So the short stories planner is $60. There you go. Already pretty much the price of the box. And then what else did we have? Slippers. How much were the slippers? They were the second customization. And these are worth... Oh, they're from Splendid. Did I mention that earlier? It's from the brand Splendid. And they are worth $48. The coasters are worth $35. The body lotion is $26. That's actually not bad because I got a grown Alchemist product. It was a night cream and it was it was worth like over $100 or something. It was crazy. And then we've got this, the Brightening Ampoule, which is worth $38. And the nail polish, which is worth $15. And lastly, these, which are worth $16. So that's crazy. I spend, for the year, I think it's like about $300 to get it. And then it's like, I'm pretty sure, because it's been a while since I paid for it. Like I said, I pay for annually. So I'm pretty sure for Canadians, it's about $80 a season. But even with $80, like, there's all my money's worth. Even if the products weren't as great as I would like them to, I'm still happy I got the box. I still love getting this box. I'm still happy with the choices that I chose, and yeah. But yeah, that's everything in this month's box. I'm so excited to go set this up. It's gonna be so much fun. Let me know what you thought of this season's box down below in the description. In the comments, not the description. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.